All right, so let's check your work on the practice problem. We have 2 points, Q and R. They are translated 5 units to the left. Now, left or right is x-axis, and left means subtract. So I am subtracting 5 from x. If you don't have this written out on your slide, add it in. You want to do this every time, especially on the exit ticket. And then 2 units down. I'm also subtracting because y is up or down, and down would be subtract. I'm subtracting 2 from y. All right, so when I set it up, I write my first point. Q is at -4, -2. X comes first, y comes second. You also want to write that in, x and y, okay? I'm subtracting 5 from x. I'm subtracting 2 from y. This is going to give me Q prime. Integers, they kill us every time, all right? You are adding these together. So this is a -4 plus a -5 gives you -9. This is -2 plus a -2 gives you -4. It goes off the grid, so I'm still going to check it. All right, so for Q, I started at -4, -2. I am moving 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm moving 2 units down. 1, 2, which is -4. So it checks out. Now I'll switch colors and we will do R. R is located at 3, 1. Remember, X comes first, Y comes second. I'm subtracting 5 from my X value. I'm subtracting 2 from my Y value. This is going to tell me where R prime is. 3 plus a -5. I have more negatives than positives. I subtract, I get 2. Keep the negative. 1 minus 2. Again, 2 negatives, 1 positive puts me at -1. Check my work. R was at 3, 1. 5 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 down, 1, 2, puts me at -2, -1. They both check out. Hopefully you got this one done correctly. Now I'm going to show you a different way to word these problems, and then you'll practice.